Hello, and welcome to the short video presented by Volvo Cars Saint-Léonard, in which we will show you how to connect your Android smartphone to your Volvo via Bluetooth. Go to the Settings icon, then press on Bluetooth. Then, press on Pair a new device. This will direct you to the Bluetooth page in your Volvo settings. Now, press either your Volvo model from your phone or the name of your phone from your vehicle. Several messages will then appear asking to access your contacts and call history. You can now receive calls and play music in the car connected directly from your phone. We hope that this video has been useful to you and that it may help you in the use of your Volvo. If you have any other questions or topic you'd like us to cover in another video, please feel free to comment down below. See you soon and enjoy driving your Volvo.